In the year 1943, Mr. Jagmohan Das Bhagwan Das Boda and his brother Mr. Dheeraj Lal Bhagwan Das Boda set up the J.B. Boda and Company Private Limited. The founding members of the J.B. Boda Group made their breakthrough in India with the concept of reinsurance broking at a time when it was completely alien to the subcontinent, as it was mostly in the hands of American and European giants.
The fundamentals of J.B. Boda is to work with transparency, integrity, sincerity, self-discipline, and ensuring that people believe in themselves and look very confident when they sit with their customers, where customers get comfortable to hand over their business to J.B. Boda.
I still remember my first day in the organization and the warm welcome I received from my grand uncle, to whom I used to call lovingly Thiru Kaka, and my father, who was my backbone, and with their golden words that in this organization success is defined as we and never as I.
First day at work is always historical for everybody in their own life, and so was mine. I was handed over a letter by my father on what the company is all about, how to take the company ahead, and what are the basic principles with what we have reached today at the 75 years of the milestone.
In the year 1965, the Boda Group set their first footprint outside India, venturing out to Tanzania in East Africa. In its habit for turning dust to gold, the J.B. Boda Group glistened its way to become the first Indian multinational broker.
Today, if you look at the international scenario and with the growing changes in the market, J.B. Boda is one of the company who is dealing with number of cultures worldwide, which includes UK, Europe, USA, Africa, Middle East, Southeast Asia. We have been able to establish in 8 different countries worldwide with 23 offices in India and over 1,000 people in India and over 60 people in our overseas offices.
And in the year 2003, the J.B. Boda Reinsurance Brokers Private Limited took over non-life and life broking. This was also the year when J.B. Boda Insurance Brokers Private Limited covered non-life and life broking. Today, the visionary leadership of Boda Group has transpired across the borders and has become an international brand from Singapore, Nepal, Kenya, United Kingdom, Bangladesh and Dubai.
Expansion and the challenges and the opportunities all across the globe. We are looking forward for some exciting times.
We will continue to grow as the J.B. Boda Group with the right talent pool, with the technology, and continue to service with our honesty and sincerity, which remains our core value for last 7 decades and beyond.
We at J.B. Boda sincerely appreciate engagement of our colleagues, and they are our biggest asset.